How to recover your Facebook account without phone number or email address. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Facebook account if you have forgotten your email and also your phone number. So here are some steps that you can follow. So the step that you can follow first of all is that you don't know what alternative information you have, like using a computer or mobile phone that you have previously used. If you have used some previous devices and you have forgotten your email password and also you don't have any number, then what you can do is go to facebook.com and follow the instruction and reset your password just by tapping the password of your previous phone, and then you are done. You will be able to log into your Facebook account just like that. So you can also check in the phone number like that. And the next is try to regain access to your email account. If you have made your email account with your phone number, then just try to regain your email address so that you can again set new password for that. So there are also other useful resources, like you can go on looking troubleshooting tips, and if you think that your account has been hacked or taken over, then you can just report it because it would not be of any use after that. And if you're having trouble with finding your account using find your account page, then you can just find it by some other accounts as well. So these are some few tips that you can use to recover your account without phone number or email. There is no other tips in this, so I hope you use it and fix your problem. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. If you like our video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.